lost myself when I saw what you were really like. When I discovered your lies, time and time again, that you were never honest or open with me, that I always found a lie, a fucking secret. I lost myself when I supported you, when I realized you had problems, an obsessive-compulsive disorder, addictions to alcohol and drugs. I tried to understand, to support you, to be there, to love you when you're suffering. But it was never enough, never right, no more trust, no more honesty. You always told me you were afraid of me, of my reactions, of losing me, without ever understanding that it was exactly all of this that made me react, that made me withdraw. I lost myself when I helped you. You started having psychotic episodes, crazy fits, mixing substances, even using at work and while driving. I always learned all of this from others, and often much later. It was hard, both emotionally and physically, even though you never laid a hand on me. It was all terrified. I didn't recognize you. Arduous battle, even if different. You left every night until 10 p.m. Sometimes later, 5 days a week to heal, while I had to heal myself alone, without even knowing how to go about it. You were surrounded by people during your fight, during your healing. Myself so that you could find yourself. While you were finding yourself, I was drowning. While you were healing, I was digging my own grave. I lost myself, and no one supports me, no one helps me, no one can save me. Even in my even in my recovery, I will always be alone. That's what it means to be a strong person. A strong person is someone who has always supported, helped, and saved themselves alone at every step. Always alone. And that's what makes us